First time here, it's like seeing the shuttle go off.
Welcome to Brian Tanti's workshop. We're here at Pebble Beach.
In 1949, this car was procured by a Moroccan businessman,
Right.
Monsieur Maroud. In the first year of its delivery, it was shown at the Casablanca Concours D'elegance.
Right.
He drove it all over Morocco for about 9 years, and apparently was quite the envy of two of his buddies who went and procured the same car.
Wow.
Because it was seen as speedy and stylish and was getting all the attention, and so they had to match him. It was bought by a U.S. Air Force pilot.
Right.
Who kept it for the last year that he was commissioned in Morocco, and then he brought it back to New Orleans.
Yep.
And in New Orleans decided he hadn't seen enough of the United States. And so he decided to drive it to Alaska. He went through southern Texas, up through California, and when he got to Washington, decided, change of plans, took a right-hand turn into Spokane it went.
Wow.
Where it was bought by a jewelry owner, Mr. Litzinger. He had it a couple years, traded it in, and that's when it ended up with the Taylor Farm family. And it was driven very sparingly, and in 1976 put in their barn, and then not driven again until it went to auction in 2011.
The car doesn't look tired at all, does it? It looks beautiful.
Oh yeah, there's no.
And you wish it could talk.
Yeah.
Right?
It could tell a few stories.
Right,
yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
So,
Whoever had it did a lot of cigarette smoking.
yeah, okay.
Burn marks all.
Right. But slightly drunk maybe in the falling over. So what are your plans with the vehicle now? Do you plan to just give it a lovely social life and take it out to events?
Just take it on different shows and keep it the way it is.
Yeah.
You know, keep
It's
it
one
in
thing
that
if it
state.
didn't have all the original parts, or if it was rusting, but it's in great shape.
No, it's in great shape.
And
it's a lovely
such
car.
a nice color scheme too, right? It's just rich and old.
And it tells a story.
Right.
You know, the car tells a story.
Right.
You look at it and you just know that it's had a lovely history.
Well,
so.
and especially, I don't know if you noticed, but the Arabic plates.
No, I didn't
It
see
says
that. Right.
It's Morocco and Arabic.
Okay.
And so we believe that this is where the plate out of France would have been put. Because
Right.
You had to have it
Okay.
to leave France.
Okay.
And then where you always have to have your country plate, and that's the Moroccan plate.
Wow.
So that's kind of neat.
Lovely.
Yep.
Oh, just a gorgeous car. Well, thank you very much for showing
thank
me
you
around
for
your
asking.
vehicle. I think it's one of the highlight cars here. I really do. It's
Fantastic.
a gorgeous machine. Okay, well, I'm with Don White here looking at this beautiful dual gear. Don, can you tell me a little bit about the car, please?
So my stepfather, Arnold Stevens, has owned the car for 42 years.
Yeah.
He bought it from the actor Vic Damone. He was a Hollywood singer, and this car historically was with the Rat Pack, Sammy Davis Jr. and the gang like that. So my father drove it for 42 years, back and forth to Palm Springs to the desert, and decided to do a frame-off restoration. So it's just got finished. We had it at Villa d'Este in Italy.
Okay.
Now we brought it to Pebble Beach.
Right.
It was amazing. First time here, it's like seeing the shuttle go off.
Yeah.
You know, it's a great time.
There's a lot of really
passion.
interesting and pretty strange people running around here. You can see here. Hey, buddy, hey, come over here.